Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset a Whirlpool dishwasher, so let's get started. First, try a simple reset. Over here, press the Cancel Drain button on the control panel. After that, wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the dishwasher to respond. You'll hear the drain pump activate, and once it stops, the dishwasher is reset and ready for a new cycle. Then do a power cycle. Turn off the dishwasher or unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and press the Start Resume button. After that, use the diagnostic mode. Press the buttons in this order: heated dry, normal, heated dry, normal. All lights will flash, which means the diagnostic cycle has started. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes, and once it's complete, the dishwasher will automatically reset. Next, check the door latch. Over here, make sure the door is closed tightly. Open and close it firmly until it clicks into place. Then reset the control lock if it's enabled. If the control lock light is on, press and hold the control lock or heated dry button for 3 seconds to unlock the panel. After that, you can perform the reset again. Finally, run a test cycle. Select a short or normal wash cycle and press Start Resume. If it runs smoothly, your dishwasher has been successfully reset. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.